What if artificial intelligence could help clean the world's oceans? Every year, millions of tons of plastic enter our oceans. From tiny microplastics to abandoned fishing nets, ocean pollution is becoming one of the biggest environmental challenges on Earth. It affects marine life, damages ecosystems, and even enters the food chain. But today, scientists and engineers are developing a new solution: artificial intelligence. Instead of searching the ocean manually, AI-powered systems can scan enormous areas in real time. Satellites observe the ocean from space. Autonomous drones fly above the water. And underwater robots explore places that humans rarely reach. Every image, every sensor reading, and every ocean current is analyzed by powerful AI systems. These systems identify floating plastic, locate pollution hotspots, and guide autonomous cleanup vessels to the right locations. Rather than wasting time searching randomly, cleanup teams can focus exactly where they are needed most. Artificial intelligence can also study ocean currents, predict where plastic will drift, and recommend the fastest collection routes. The result is a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to protect our oceans.
But cleaning the ocean is only the first step. The real challenge is preventing new pollution from spreading. Artificial intelligence studies wind patterns, ocean currents, and satellite images to predict where floating plastic is likely to travel next. This allows cleanup teams to act before the waste reaches coral reefs, remote islands, or sensitive marine habitats. Underwater robots equipped with advanced cameras can also detect ghost fishing nets, broken plastic containers, and even tiny microplastics hidden beneath the surface. Instead of disturbing marine life, these intelligent machines carefully collect waste while avoiding fish, sea turtles, and coral reefs. Every mission generates new information. AI learns from every cleanup operation, improving its accuracy, finding faster routes, and making future missions more efficient. Scientists from around the world also share ocean data, creating a global network that helps protect our seas together. With every new discovery, artificial intelligence becomes a more powerful partner in restoring the health of our oceans. As technology continues to improve, artificial intelligence is becoming more than just a cleanup tool. It is helping scientists understand the oceans in ways that were never possible before. AI can estimate where pollution is building up, track changes over time, and measure the success of every cleanup mission. Autonomous ships, smart underwater robots, and satellites all work together, sharing information every second. Collected plastic is transported to advanced recycling centers, where it can be transformed into new useful materials, reducing waste instead of sending it back into the environment. As cleaner oceans return, marine life begins to recover. Coral reefs become healthier, fish populations grow stronger, and sea turtles, dolphins, and whales can live in a safer habitat. This is not only about protecting wildlife. Healthy oceans also support millions of people, provide food, help regulate the Earth's climate, and produce much of the oxygen we breathe. Artificial intelligence alone cannot solve ocean pollution. But together, with scientists, engineers, governments, and people around the world, it can become one of the most powerful tools for protecting our planet. Every piece of plastic removed is one step toward a cleaner future. Every new discovery brings us closer to healthier oceans. And the future of ocean conservation may be powered by artificial intelligence. The future of our oceans depends on the choices we make today. Artificial intelligence is giving scientists faster tools, better information, and smarter ways to protect marine ecosystems. But technology alone is not enough. Governments, researchers, businesses, and people around the world all have an important role to play. Every recycled bottle, every abandoned fishing net removed, and every cleaner beach brings us one step closer to restoring our oceans. Healthy oceans support incredible marine life, provide food for millions of people, and help keep our planet's climate in balance. With innovation, global cooperation, and the power of artificial intelligence, a cleaner and healthier ocean is becoming possible. The next great breakthrough in protecting our planet may not happen on land,